If the fear of falling on roller skates is the thing holding you back, you're not doing anything wrong. It just means your body is still learning what to expect. So I'm going to share a few things to help make that fear feel more manageable. Lower the skill level. Your brain gets exposed without feeling overwhelmed. Helps calm your nervous system. Hello guys, my name is Tracy. I'm from Suns Out Skates Out Roller Skating School, and I teach adults and kids how to skate with confidence in person and online. In this video, I want to help you understand how to acknowledge fear without letting it take over your skating. Something I see all the time with my students is that the first fall is always the biggest worry in their head. They imagine it, they replay it, they build up to it, and when it finally does happen, it's usually not as bad as what they thought. They get back up, they keep skating, and suddenly things feel a little bit lighter. I'm not saying go and purposely fall for the first time on skates. We can't completely avoid falling on skates, but what we can do is prepare our body and mind for it. And once your brain knows what to expect, the fear of falling starts to settle. So let's quickly just talk about why fear shows up in the first place. It's not because you're bad at skating, and it's not because you're not brave enough. As adults, fear tends to come up a lot more than it does for kids, and there's a reason for that. Kids are still learning how their body works. They fall all the time in lots of different ways. Kids' brains are wired to explore, experiment, and recover, so falling doesn't automatically mean danger to them. As adults, it's different. Our brains are much better at assessing risk. We're more aware of consequences, and we think about injury, work, responsibilities, and what could go wrong. So when you put wheels under your feet and your body hasn't had that experience much before, your brain goes straight into protection mode. A lot of you have never been on skates before, or maybe you haven't skated since you were a kid, which is 20 or 30 years ago. So your body is being asked to do something it hasn't done in a very long time or ever before. So your brain fills in the gaps with the worst case scenarios, and that's when the fear starts to show up. For me, it was a little bit different. I grew up doing competitive artistic roller skating, so falling was completely normal. I was throwing myself into jumps, spins, all sorts of different types of skills. Not to say it didn't hurt, and not to say I couldn't get injured. I was definitely bruised and battered, but I was comfortable with falling, and that's the key difference. Fear isn't about toughness, it's about familiarity. So if falling feels scary for you as an adult, your brain is just doing its job. And once your body starts to understand what to expect, that fear naturally starts to settle. The biggest thing that helps with fear on skates is slowing things down. Fear spikes when things start to feel rushed or out of control. So instead of trying to move faster and get the skill over with, slow it right down and stay in control, because control tells your brain you're safe. Tip number 2, don't avoid what scares you. Instead of avoiding a skill, lower the skill level. Make it smaller, slower, closer to the ground. That way your brain gets exposed without feeling overwhelmed. Tip number 3, know what happens if you lose your balance and you go out of control. A big part of fear comes from not knowing what happens if your balance goes. Once your body understands how to respond, fear drops a lot. That's why learning how to fall safely and practicing it really does matter. Not because you want to fall, but because your brain relaxes when it knows that you've got a plan. The skill of falling safely should feel practical, and it shouldn't feel like a dramatic moment. Tip number 4, use your breath to calm your body. Another really important piece is your breathing. Fear tightens the body, and tight bodies don't skate well. So slowing your breath down helps calm your nervous system, which helps your body feel safer on skates. And I actually have a mindful breathing and meditation lesson inside the Roller Skate by Sunday online coaching course, because I believe that being in the right state of mind, your movement usually follows a lot better. And I hate to say it, but you'll never completely get rid of the fear in skating. There's always something new that brings it up. And honestly, that's why a lot of people fall in love with skating. You learn how to get comfortable with that feeling, and that's when you start unlocking the fun skills. So if you're feeling stuck or nervous on skates, my free online workshop is a really good place to start. It'll give you a clear path forwards. I'll link that down below. Fear stays with you with every level of skating because you're constantly progressing and you're constantly pushing yourself on new skills. I know I myself, when I'm trying something that I haven't done in a long time or I'm trying something new, I may not show it, but I also feel that fear inside. So it's completely natural in every level of skating. So guys, go easy on yourself and you're doing better than you probably think. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. It really does help my growing channel. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.